All right, learning C++ again. Came up with a problem on the road like where I had some getters in a class and I had marked them as const, but it wasn't compiling, it was complaining about that. And so I got to go over that and figure out what's going on. So I have my test classes. And let's see. Am I in the right spot? I think I am. Let's build it. It is good. And it is printing. Okay, so if we go back, I have two instances of this here. So if we go back to the roguelike, well, actually, I think I took it out now, but it was on these little publics like get health and all that, which were private up here. That's all it was. And I had const out here. So I'm going to try to mimic that. Where am I at? There. So in one, let's just have a get a, probably right here, I would imagine. Let me see if I can put const on this. It is a getter, so let me do const. And in here, const here. This is what I had, but I was getting compiler errors. So let's see that. But, oh, here we go. Here. Oh, look at that. Get age void. Okay. Where did that say it was? That wasn't a linking. That was linking. So I was trying to link get age void right here. So apparently it doesn't like that. Overload memory function not found in one. Okay, CPP. I mean, does it matter where you place these? Let's see. So when it's like that, I get the linking error. It's almost like it's telling me that the like the name is different. Or it can't find the name, or it can't match it up, something. Yeah, I just don't know about that. Let's that's all to me it looks like it's saying it's a constant integer being returned. So it's definitely like signature stuff there, it looks like. But when it's there, I mean, there can't be too many combinations of how it can go. In the CPP, overloaded, okay. And then we get the linker. Oh, that's referenced in main. Let me see that. So it looks like it compiled. It's just in the linking stage, we used it wrong. I think. Where's it at? Right here. But I wonder where at. Get age. Well, it wasn't get age from. It looks like it was get age here. Let me see. Oh, well, we're not even including one. Why is that? Why is that commented out? I can't remember why I did that. That doesn't make sense to me. Class type redefinition. Did I not put pragma on these? Oh, who knows? Let's go up here. It was on 3. Type redefinition in main. 6. Oh. Oh, that's what I did. I had it commented out because uh, I must have been in a video saying how you, instead of an include, you could just put your class definition, or is it definition or declaration up there? That needs to come out. Well, we got that to build. Does it work? Yes. Okay, so we're building on this. So I have const right here on the outer edge there. Then I declare const there. Okay. So that was the same thing I had on my roguelike. See, get health here. So this is the entity H file. So if I put const right there, that's the same as the other one. And then if I go in here, now this is player. And then I go to the get p health. integer player get p health here, and I put const, what does that do? Let's open up a new one. Where's it at? So I end up with, see, get p overloaded memory. So I still get that error here. But what I'm putting it after the actual code though. So I wonder if I can put it here. It's all on one line. Do I have to put it there even if it's here? Do I still have to put it there? This one. Okay, so that worked. I made a mistake, it looks like. Because I think I was putting it out here. And it was because I had this one-liner, see? So one of the dangers of one-liners is something like this. Oh, it's just a little bit, tiny bit harder to read. You can make more mistakes when it's all when you put them on one line. So that's what it is. Const comes after the parentheses in the CPP file and in the .h file. So it's after the parentheses. I got to remember that. There we go. So I should be able to put it on this one too, right here. And all of these, save that. Then I'll get ph right here. There, and we should still get a clean build. And we are. Good build. Yay, okay, well, I got that figured out. All right, that was a good little thing there. We don't need that. We are not doing Fog of War or roguelike right now. So, anyway, yeah, that's what I was wanting to figure out. Was that right there? So the const goes after the parentheses in the H in the CPP file. That's it. That was it. And if you put them in different positions, you get different errors. So, and one thing is if I declare, because what was it? If you declare a const 1, what was it? Then you can't, let me see this here. So if I do const there, what happens now? Const 1, 2, 1, 1. Yeah. So we have a const 1 object. $16. Yeah, when I go to set this. Set to instance. Definitely can't do that because you can't change it. So if I declare 1 as a const, then I can't change it, which is kind of worthless, right? So if I take this one out, where's my, take that out and then take this one out. Because I know I can't do setters on it. But I should be able to get a weight. Whoa, wait, do that. Because I think I have to declare that const. I think a const object has to call a const function, doesn't it? Or a member function? Let me see. Set one instance. Where's that at? 17. Okay, do that one too. I don't really care about that one. Get weight from 2. Cannot convert this pointer from const 1 to 1 reference in 23. Okay. Const 1. That's a little bit weird to me, but so I guess it changes everything once you go const. 1 to 1 reference. Get weight from 2. Get weight from 2. And then these just didn't do anything because they were never set. We got lucky on that one. In the old days, it would have crashed a computer. Cause see, I never set these, and then here I was using them. So, okie dokies. So yeah, so put these in const, and if you had a const object, then you can call a const method. I see. Okay, that cleared up a lot. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming along on this one. I'm gonna put all this stuff back into the rogue game, or the roguelike. All the getters make them cost it. Wait a minute though. Oh, wait, one more thing. So I can do it without the const, right? Gonna make sure of that. So I don't need it. I mean, I don't want a const object. I don't need that. Really don't even need everything being const. I'm just trying to throw a little bit of C++ in there. Kind of because I'm learning it and I'm curious. And I really love programming, so that's what we do. Okay, so yeah, so regular objects can still call the const. That's what I'm really interested in. But if you had a const object, you can only call the const methods. That's what I'm taking from this. There. All right. Well, thanks for coming along. If you like this kind of stuff, watch me do this. Uh, give a thumbs up. Hey, leave a comment too. I like hearing from people. And subscribe if you're not. It helps me grow the channel, and that's important to me. And I love doing this stuff. And have a great day. Today is Friday. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.